Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Proton calendar notifications not working step by step. If you're missing reminders for meetings, appointments, or important events, the issue is usually related to notification permissions, reminder settings, battery optimization, or temporary app glitches. So let's get started. First, make sure notifications are enabled for Proton Calendar on your device. On Android, open Settings, then Apps, select Proton Calendar, tap Notifications, and make sure they're turned on. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Notifications, select Proton Calendar, and enable notification access. Next, open Proton Calendar and check the reminder settings for your events. If an event doesn't have a reminder configured, you won't receive a notification. Edit the event if necessary and choose a reminder time, such as 15 minutes or 1 hour before it begins. If you're using Android, check whether Battery Saver or Battery Optimization is restricting Proton Calendar from running in the background. I mean, adding the app to the battery optimization exceptions can help reminders arrive on time. You should also make sure your device has a stable internet connection and that you're signed in with the correct Proton account. If you're using the mobile app, update it to the latest version from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If you're using the web version, allow browser notifications and keep your browser updated. Finally, restart your device and create a test event with a reminder a few minutes in the future. If notifications still don't appear, check the Proton status page for service issues or contact Proton support for additional help, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Proton calendar notifications not working and make sure you never miss an important reminder. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.